As charming as it is cool, this attractive 68 Charger wraps crisp blue, white, and black aesthetics around a 4-speed driveline and 440 cubic inches of fire-breathing V8. Looking for some tough Motown metal? Look no further. An authentic Charger RT that's benefited from a professional restoration, this slick Mopar prowls the boulevard as a highly appealing resto mod that's clean and mean. Since the car has been maintained by one family for over 50 years, that ground-up rebirth began with a clean and solid profile. That profile was fitted with fresh floors, aligned with fresh quarters, and bathed in correct bright blue 2-stage. And that pigment was primed with correct vinyl, a vivid stripe, and fresh factory-style trim. Inside this awesome Dodge, tight white vinyl hugs front buckets, a rear bench, and an optional buddy seat. The dash hangs professionally rebuilt gauges next to an old-school Plymouth solid-state radio. A factory air car from the beginning, this Charger has been appropriately modernized with classic auto air conditioning. The driver commands the Hemi-spec transmission through a traditional Hur shifter, and turns are matched by a chrome-clad factory steering wheel. Pop the hood and you'll find 440 cubic inches of numbers-matching big block that was professionally rebuilt during the car's restoration. Behind that strong mill, a proven A833 4-speed twists a tough Mosier Dana 60, which spins a Detroit True Track limited slip around 354 gears. Built for the traditional muscle car fan, this Charger is the perfect opportunity to bask in the spoils of owning an attractive, well-sorted classic. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.